Hi dudes, I'm going on an exam right now, as you can see, and we're gonna do, like, not scamming, but, getting stuff for charity, because I've been wanting to do that for, wow, so long, and I was wondering if you guys want to send me stuff for charity, because I'm doing it in real life, and no one really everyone thinks I'm lying. I'm just like, no, I'm not gonna keep the stuff for myself. Jeez. People are always so, like, oh my gosh. And I'm back 1, 2, 3 for name. In the corner. Back 1, 2, 3 for name. Right there. Right there. Yep. And I'm recording this on my iPod like I do all my other Animal Jam videos, and yeah. I want a lot of people to view this, but yeah, it might just like, yeah. Oops, sorry guys. That's my finger. Okay, and I just wanted some stuff for charity, so I was wondering if you guys could send me some stuff. Yeah. Bye dudes.